surprisingly fun. Okay, so I have decided I want to make a headband in the same pattern as my sunrise skirt that is being released in a couple weeks, maybe before that, we'll see. But I have decided to use red for the autumn vibes, and I've already chained this many. It has to be 12 each time for the pattern. Oh, I've lost count. Oh, I'll start again. So I want it to fit the pattern to go at least above my ears and then thinned out to the bottom so you can tie it at the back nicely. So I've got to figure it out, and I have my notebook to write down all the instructions, and I think I'm gonna make it a free pattern on my Ko-fi store. So that's fun. Let's do it. Now I've got to count these again. 1, 2, 3, 52. Does that even... I gotta do maths with my calculator. 1 second. 60. 60 is a multiple of 12. I gotta refer back to my own pattern now because I've completely forgot how to start this. Let's see. I'm gonna do the pattern that I've written down 1 time and then I'll come back. So this is what I got so far. How do I show you? Kinda cute. So now I just gotta do these bits, and I want to make it thinner at the end. So gotta figure that out. And I also forgot to take pictures So I gotta make it again, but no biggie, I'll make it a different color. It's kind of cute though. I'm impressing myself, it just came out of my brain today. Like, gotta make that, I gotta make it. Crazy. Cute. I'm gonna see what it looks like during the day, and for now I'm gonna write the pattern out and then I'll link it in my bio because it's actually turned out so much better than I thought it would. Good morning. Now I can show you it in the daylight. And it looks so cute. No. Fucking hell. Why am I so confused when I do this? Cute. So if you'd like to make one, I do have the pattern up on Etsy and my Ko-fi for a very small fee. I can't wait to see you in these. It's like the perfect autumn vibe headband.